Before you reach out for those commercial exfoliators and scrubs, today I'm gonna share with you this facial scrub that you can try at home, freshly prepared using natural ingredients. These exfoliators are gentle on the skin and are also safe and economical. To fix tired skin immediately, use these easy-to-make face scrubs that revive, rejuvenate, and add freshness to your face. Coffee is perfect for the skin. The benefits of coffee are not just limited to it as a drink. Coffee is also an important ingredient of skincare in many ways. It reduces acne, combats the signs of aging by boosting collagen levels, protects the skin from free radical damage, reduces sun damage to the skin, reduces cellulite, reduces dark circles under the eyes, reduces inflammation, improves blood flow for brighter and tighter skin. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon oil, and a few drops of vitamin E. Mix all the ingredients together, and before applying this scrub, you should clean your skin with warm water to open pores. And apply this mixture on your face and gently massage your face with your fingers with circular motions for about 5 minutes. And leave it for about 15 minutes. Now rinse with warm water. And that's it. You will get smooth skin. Do this twice a week for best results. You can make a face mask after this scrub. You can find a lot of recipes on my channel, so take a look. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.